Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles. Today we are doing something that a couple people have been begging me to do. We are doing a farming video, and sorry about the sun, guys. It is 6 in the morning and the sun is bright. Anyways, we are doing a farming video this week. What are we going to get into? I don't know. You never know with farming, guys. Something could break, something could happen. You never know. We're going to do probably a week-long video. Drop in, drop out, drop in. So it's really just going to be I think it's going to be an interesting video. I know I can make this an interesting video, but if it doesn't do good, we won't do another one. So if you like this video, make sure you do send a like and make sure you leave a comment to tell me, because last time I did a farming video, it did not do so well. So I'm just trying to change things up. And anyways, we got to go load the trailer up, get some seed, and I will catch y'all when we get to the tractor. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we loaded up with seed and we are finally planting. It's been 2-3 hours by the time we got everything loaded, brought everything up here. It's been a long morning, but so far so good. I mean, everything seems to be working good. I got pretty good singulation. Everything seems to be working good. I'm looking for 120,000 seeds per acre, and we're looking at about 120,000. Oh, 119. Go away. We don't want to look at you. Then we got this, which actually it's actually an iPad, and it maps out all the fields. I have it dimmed because if not, it dies, because iPads suck up juice. But yeah, and that was my transmission fault that I got to get fixed. Other than that, man, we are rolling today, ladies and gentlemen. We have a lot of acres to try to get done this week, so let's go ahead and drop it down and go. Look, Mom, no hands. Yep, it drives itself, people. So one misconception everybody has that these tractors just drive themselves all day. First of all, GPS is just like internet service, guys. One tree and the whole thing cuts off. You have to pay attention nonstop. Second, it doesn't turn. These fields are only maybe, I wouldn't even say a 1/10 of a mile, most fields we have. So they really don't go that far. And you have to watch them. Ditches aren't straight, even though you wish they were. So there's a lot of little fine things that make it so GPS don't work like people think. Everybody thinks you just sitting here all day and it just drives itself. It drives in a straight line. I got all this computer to watch all day. It's always doing something weird. I gotta get out and fix something. At least I'd say every once an hour, twice an hour most time is the average. I think I work on stuff. And yes, the GPS does drive itself once it gets straight, but anything, it will just cut off. The alley can actually get off. If you look back there, let's see, yeah, back there, it can sometimes for no reason just get off and will be too wide and then you're screwed. So it's just little things like that that just aggravate the crap out of me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got the first variety done. We're gonna have to clean out and then get everything moved around, and hopefully we'll have time to finish this block tonight. I'm hoping so. But anyways, we gotta go ahead and clean out now, which is my least favorite thing. Anyways, I'll catch y'all when we're back planting. So continuing this really interesting week, my truck may or may not be stuck. Right now we're trying to get 100 gallons off of it because we pulled off the road, and if you look, it looks fairly good. It don't look wet. Yeah, maybe wet. I think the old girl will pop right out of here, but yeah. We've already took in like probably 4,000 pounds worth of seed out or more, and now we'll take another 100 gallons out, and I think she'll pop out. This old girl will drag this thing. So let's see what happens. Okay, we got 100 gallons of fuel, a couple thousand pounds of seed. Let's see if this old girl will pop out of the hole. Okay, we're on 4 low, or 4 high actually. Let's see if we can get it. Damn, she puffs the smoke. Come on, baby, come on, come on. Oh yeah, we popped right out of there, baby. Nothing like 450 horsepower pure diesel power, baby. So we got out, and I guess we're gonna go start planting some more. Hopefully we get this done. There's another chance of rain, because why is it gonna rain, guys? It ain't stopped raining all month. I haven't been able to get anything done mechanic wise. My videos all getting behind because I'm just so busy. I'm working on weekends. Man, it's getting bad. So let's get back to the tractor.
Eventually.
In case anyone's wondering just how dirty my filters are after this long day. Wow, look how bad my sunglasses are. Here we go, people. This was cleaned out yesterday morning. Yeah, that's a lot of dust.
One eternity later.
I got my tractor, I was like, man, there's smudges on my window. They look like feet prints. Let's go check and see what's missing today. These bells up here are terrible. Yoink. And yeah, I haven't touched that. That's where my mini hopper is. They broke it off. And yeah, they wanted them beans all right. Dang it. Sorry, mini hopper. It was nice knowing you. And again, I didn't touch any of this. This is how it's laying. This is crazy. So I've already showed y'all that the hopper got ripped off and destroyed by the bell, but I come and fill up with seed, and I noticed they did even more. So we filled up with seed, and I noticed this. Look at the little claw marks they trying to get in my tank. By the way, this is Flex Seal. We had a crack here, and it didn't fix it, but yeah, look, just look at that. These buttholes really wanted my beans, but you can't have my beans, boys. And for everybody asking, why don't y'all have a system to hunt them? We have a system to hunt them everywhere, but this block, because this block, the owner won't let nobody hunt. So we got more bear damage. You can see him on the hood. He's all over there, but he came up here and actually ate my antenna off. Here's the antenna. I screwed it out. You can see all the feet print. See where he rubbed up all against this? He actually ate all the rubber off of that, like all of it. You can see it's supposed to be black, and he really wanted it. I can't believe he didn't break the globe. Like, we're lucky there. But he climbed up here. He had a snack. I couldn't figure out why my GPS wasn't working. Didn't take me long to realize. And my John Deere dealership goes, the towels aren't down. Have you checked your antenna? I said, it was working yesterday. I went and looked, and it's like, oh, the bear ate my antenna off. And yeah, now we don't. So that was kind of an embarrassing phone call. But the guy got a big laugh. He goes, why would they eat it? I said, I don't know. I guess they really like the rubber after they ate all them beans. So, time to get going again. Ooh, we got a double rainbow. Oh, check this out. That's a very beautiful rainbow and super bright. Ah, another beautiful day with lots of dirt and mud and bears eating half of my flannel. There he is! I found him! Get out of here, you antenna-eating bastard! Hey! You! Why did you eat my antenna? I want it back! Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks for watching. As always, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's not my normal high-octane bud kind of video, but you know, I figured I'd teach y'all a little stuff. Maybe joke around. The bear ate the crap out of my stuff, so yeah, things happen. Anyways, I hope y'all like this. If you wouldn't mind, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. If you don't like it, definitely leave a comment. Go, hey, I hate these videos. And I will try not to ever do another one if enough people said they hate it. Anyways, we have some 6x6 content coming next week. We have maybe some prairie videos. I don't know. I'm having some carburetor issue right now. I do got to rebuild it, I guess. I didn't want to have to rebuild it. But hey, what are you going to do? Anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one.